There are thousands of people all over the globe making money with this website by simply leaving likes on YouTube videos, Facebook pages, and Instagram posts. This site will pay you either in cash or, if you're a fan of cryptocurrency, as you can see, you can get paid through Bitcoin as well. This site is also available worldwide and it's completely free. Now, with that said, just before we get to the site in question, let me remind you that if you like this type of content and you'd like to see more, then support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below. And so you don't miss out on any future videos to come, then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. With all of that said, let's now jump straight into the tutorial so I can show you everything. Okay, so today guys, I have a site that probably most of you have never heard about before that will actually pay you for just leaving likes. The site in question is called followfast.com, and as you can see here, you can earn money by liking pages and advertise your own pages. Now, obviously, we don't want to advertise ourselves. We are here to make money for free, but it's worth noting that you can advertise using this platform. Now, with that said, as you can see below, it's free to join this website, just like I promised you. And once you do join them, you'll be able to start accumulating points by leaving likes on Facebook posts, Instagram posts, YouTube videos, and so on. You will then have two options: either redeem those points for money in either real cash or Bitcoin, or you can actually use them to advertise yourselves if you so wish. Now, something of note with this site is that they've been around since 2012, so they've been around for quite some time, which, mind you, is impossible if this is a scammy website, as they'll all disappear relatively quickly. This shows that this is actually a legit platform that we're talking about, and that people have been using it for years and years in order to get paid. In case you still have some doubts about this site, you want to click on Payouts right over here. On the next page, you'll be able to see that there are people getting paid with this platform literally every single day through their preferred methods of payment, either Perfect Money or Bitcoin. And if you come to the bottom, you will see that there are over 150 pages of payment proof. And I encourage all of you who do have doubts about this site to go ahead and check them out. Now, with that said, guys, as you can see, this is not a lot of money, and I really want to emphasize that. You can't make thousands of dollars a day or even a month with this platform, since after all, you're just getting paid for leaving likes, which takes like a second to do. Now, with that said, if you stick with me, I will show you later on a way that you can use the site to get paid a bit more, so make sure you keep watching. Anyhow, in order to get started making money with this site, in the first place, you need an account. And as such, you need to click on Join Here. And what you'll need to do from there is enter in your unique username, enter your valid email address, and your password. You will then need to confirm that same password. And to finish the process, just complete this CAPTCHA by entering in the numbers that will be shown here, before clicking on the Join button just below. And just a side note, this referrer box is for people who have been referred to this website. And obviously, since no one referred you, you won't need to fill it in order to register. When you create and log into your brand new account, this is what you'll come across and how everything will look. In the upper left corner is where you'll be able to see the amount of points that you have earned, which you will exchange for money or cryptocurrency by clicking on Cash Out right over here. On the very next page, you'll be able to choose your preferred payment option. And check this out, guys. While this site only offers Perfect Money and Bitcoin, you can use magneticexchange.com here to get paid through the likes of Advanced Cash, Xmo, FasaPay, Neteller, and many, many more. So while at a first glance it might seem that you don't have that many payment options, thanks to Magnetic Exchange here, you can get paid in other ways as well. And the whole process is explained very well on this page, so I won't go too much into depth with it. With that being said, something I really love about this site that I think you will too is the daily bonus, which you can check out by clicking on it here. And take a look at this. By logging in every single day and liking just 15 videos and/or posts, you will be able to earn 100 extra points. And by leaving 3 likes per hour, you'll be able to earn 25 points per hour, which, if you do the math, can go well over 100 points in just a single day. And let's face it, guys, liking 15 videos and leaving 3 likes an hour won't take that much time. So these two features are very awesome in my opinion, as they allow you to, for a tiny amount of effort, earn a bit more money. Now, with all of that said, let me now show you actually how you will be able to get paid liking YouTube videos. In order to get started, you need to click on this icon right over here. And what you will now need to do is simply click on like here for this site to take you to the YouTube video in question. For example, this one here. You will then leave a like, wait a few seconds, close the page, and when you come back over to this site, you will see that you got new points added to your account. And you can just rinse and repeat from there. Just like all of these videos that you can see to earn points. Now, in case some of you are having troubles receiving them, it's most likely because you are closing the YouTube videos too quickly. Make sure that after you leave a like, you wait at least 2 to 3 seconds so that you actually get paid. Now, with that said, there is another way for you to make money with this website, one I promised I would show you in the beginning, and that way is through the use of their referral system. To access it, you want to hover your mouse over this arrow and select Referrals down below. You'll be able to see your referral link right here, and if you scroll further down, you will see that you will earn 10% of what the people you refer to here have made. So, if you refer 10 people to this site and they all make $100 combined, that means you would earn $10 in passive income. Obviously, it's not a mind-boggling amount of cash, but it's made in passive income and with no skills or experience. You just refer those people to this platform and your work is done. Now, since this is a make money online site, a good way for you to refer people is simply by using social media. Make Money Online Facebook groups are great for that purpose, as well as Instagram Make Money Online pages. By sharing your referral link with people who want to make money online, you can easily get a lot of clicks. And once people sign up to this platform and start earning money, you will do so as well. Now, with that said, referring people to here is an optional step, even though I would recommend it. If you just want to get paid by liking videos, then that's fine as well. You'll still be able to make a decent amount of money. Now, with that said, this is it for today's video, guys. As always, if you liked it and you're enjoying my content, then be sure to give this video a thumbs up below to support my channel. And in case you don't want to miss out on any future videos just like this one, then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and you'll be notified whenever a new video pops up. As always, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you soon.